How we doing? How you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. How's it going, people? How we doing, people? So what's up in the chat if you're hyped about Doge? We're just chilling, checking out what's going on. We're in a general downtrend right now, but should sweep out of it pretty soon. I think that was already the dip. That was the dip right there, so at least for now. Let's see where this candle's go. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. MACD crossed bullish, is about to cross bearish, so We'll see. Could trade sideways for a little while. If you take a look, let's go over to the 30-minute chart. We are following this channel. Kinda. It's very just. It's pretty. It's alright. I mean, we've bounced off it a couple times. I don't really want to see us go back down to this level, but we'll see what happens. Got another sort of channel going on here in the recent since about 1st of May. So, let's see how this goes too. Just keeping an eye on these things. And if you're wondering, these yellow blue candles, this is an aggressive entry point. This is more of a conservative entry point. How we doing, people? See if we can break out of this downtrend in the past few minutes here. Yeah, we're kind of consolidating here, which is good. The floor right now is about 40 cents. Put your opinions about Doge in the chat if you're here watching. I'm open to hear everything. The good, the bad, the ugly. Whatever you feel. How we doing, people? MACD is crossing, so we'll see if we continue in this downtrend here and maybe tap off this line one more time. Or if we come back down to these lines of resistance, or resistance support down here. If that does happen, we break out of this Oh no, never mind. But yeah, that we would break out of this channel from... That was started on the 1st. How we doing, people? If you're just here, drop a like. Let me know how you feel about Doge. I'm all ears. But yeah, if we can continue consolidating, that'd be nice. That means we're probably still in this upper trend. But it's all controlled by whales at the end of the day, so we'll see. At least for now. Slowly weeding out the whales over time, but they're still here, that's for sure. And Elon's one. So, who knows? He could already have all his Doge, he's not gonna buy anymore. We don't really know. Just tweet out the stream. How we doing? How we doing? Wondering what's going on right now? We're in a slight downtrend, but it seems like we're almost consolidating here at about 41, 42 cents, so that'd be good. Honestly, we're seeing a lot less drastic pullbacks than I'd imagine hitting these psychological points, like 45 cents, 40 cents. There's a lot of buying power coming into this coin. How we doing, people? What's good? Just chilling, watching the charts, you know. We're in a downward trend, but it's consolidating, so as long as it doesn't really, if we can stay at about this level and bounce off, that'd be great consolidation. And it's a 5-minute chart, by the way, though, so keep that in mind. Say what's up in the chat, people, if you're here. If you're excited about Doge, let me know. If you're not excited about Doge, let me know, also. MACD crossed over here in the 5 minutes, so we might continue this downtrend down a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. How we doing, people? Let me know what's good. Yeah, we seem to be following this downtrend, at least for now. Look at a 30-minute chart. Let's see what I can see here. Yeah, I hope if we can consolidate at this level, it'd be very good. Very, very good. I'd like to see some sideways momentum before we go back up here. If you're wondering what these are just indicating some possible entry points. This is the yellow indicates a very aggressive entry point, very risky. Blue is a little bit more conservative, a little bit less risky, but this coin's so volatile, I'll take those with a very high grain of salt. Sorry about that, just making sure my audio levels are good. Well, yeah, we're just hanging out, watching the charts, chilling, vibing. No expert by any means, but it's fun to watch and try to figure out what might happen. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. I would go to a 1-minute chart, but I really don't like looking at 1-minute charts. Especially with the indicators I have right now, they're not very strong. Yeah, we're following this downtrend right now. A lot of selling momentum in this portion here. Let's see. How we doing, people? Just curious to see how much of a dip we actually took in this short time span here. Up here at about 45 cents, down here at about, dropped about 13%. I'll leave that there for now. It's a 13% dip, but we didn't stay at that level very long at all. So we're looking at more right now about an 8.6% dip from our high of today, which is not bad at all. Would not be concerned for the future of Doge. At least in the short term. Long term, who knows, but so right now things are still looking good. If you're wondering about my entry points, by the way, I don't have a ton of Doge. I only got about like 4,000 coins. And I bought them in about around 28 cents. So I'm up around like $500 right now. doing, people? Say what's up in the chat. Let me know your feelings on Doge. Let me know what's going on. Let me know how you feel. Let me know if you guys have positions in Doge, what you're doing, day trading, hodling. Let me know. I'm always curious to see other people's opinions and how they're dealing with this crazy market. Yeah, we're just watching what happens here, see if we continue on this downtrend or if we can break out and hopefully maybe head back up. I mean, I would like, as I said, I'd like to see some consolidation around these levels more than we already have, just to provide some support at these levels. And a little bit, like, when we consolidate, like, take here, for example, it's an uptrend, but we are consolidating sideways for a while. And when we go up slowly. And the dip is a lot less hard than if we look at something like down. Like up here where we just went straight up. It was a heavy dip. You know, that's not the best example. Find a better example of that. Going to the hour chart just so I can get to the right area. But yeah, there was no consolidation in these areas. I sound like a goof right now, I know, trust me. Talking out my ass. But yeah, when we saw this dip to 17 cents, it was, the hype was there. Then it faded a little bit. Faded hype. But as the trend switched right here, things started happening. People started talking about Doge again. And then we see this upward momentum, and then more people get hyped, more people get hyped. And the question is just, where is our ceiling? Which, in my opinion, I think we can reach $1. Right now, the market cap's around, what, 50 billion. So I think it's definitely possible we reach $1. I don't know if that's in a couple weeks, this week, next month, who knows. All depends on the whales and how they control this. Because that's really what's controlling Doge right now is the whales. They're weeding out slowly and slowly with their sell orders at these upper levels, but they could also be easily just buying back in at the lower levels, so we really don't know. I mean, I'm sure if you looked into the blockchain and looked at all the different orders, you could really figure out how much Doge is being pumped per candle, but or how much money is being pumped in and out at each candle, but as far as I can see, we are consolidating right now, which is a good sign. We can break above this trend line, that is. So we'll see what happens here. Say what's up in the chat if you're here watching. I'd love to hear your opinions. How we doing, people? Hopefully we can break this trend line here. Let's see. Take a look at 1 minute chart really quick. We can break out of this trend and hopefully head up here and then kind of do a little bit of consolidation. It would be ideal. And once again, we could just hit like a psychological level up here and see a big fell off again. Fell off, sell off. English is not my strong suit right now. But breaking out of the trend. Let's see. Let's see, we could either head up here somewhere, maybe up here, or we hit about this level again and start consolidating. Let's see what happens. See, we're breaking out. Let's see how high we'll go. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart, see what's really going on in real time. We got a green candle. See if it can hold. Not that much buying volume. Not that much volume at all coming in. So let's see if this market bottom indicator is a good buy entry point for some people. RSI is heading in the upwards direction. MACD crossed on the 1 minute. 5-6 minutes ago. I wish I saw that. Would have been a good sign of breaking out in this uptrend. But then again, we had a cross here, and it's just a false positive. Because a MACD is a lagging indicator. If you did not know that. Things are still kind of bearish at the moment, but it's all short term. Very, very short term, that is. MACDs might cross again on the 5 minute. Looks like we might break up towards these levels. Let's head back into full screen. So it looks like there was a lot of sell orders at 45 cents. And people, you know, panic sell, consolidation. It's what we've been seeing the past couple days. See, like, look at yesterday. This was the pump, look. Pump, panic sell, consolidation. Pump, panic sell, consolidation. Been in this trend for a couple days now. Just at varying rates of volatility. How we doing, people? How we doing? How we doing? Let me know if you're in the chat. Say what's up. Let me know your opinions on Doge. I'm always here to chat. Always here. See, we're breaking out of this trend line right now, so we'll see how far we can go. It's all technical analysis, people, so keep in mind. Numbers don't lie until they do. Until they do. And then, like, there's no way to really guess when this thing's gonna pump. It's just not real possible. But yeah, MACDs are crossing on the 5 minute. Still in bullish territory though. Or bearish, sorry. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Help the stream reach more people. Help me just get the name out there, you know? But yeah, we're breaking out of this trend line. We'll see how far we can go. If we might keep going down. But it does not seem like it. We're having a push here. It's pushing the candle's trying to push green. So hopefully we can stay in this uptrend that we're forming now. Set a hypothetical trend line here. See how that looks over time. Yep, we flipped green. We're pushing. Still pushing. The fight, though. It's definitely a fight. If you're here, let me know how you're doing. Let me know your opinions on Doge. Let me know. Just let me know anything. Tell me about your day. Tell me about breakfast, dinner, anything. I'm here to chat. I am a little tired that way. That's why I sound kind of off and I'm probably slurring words like I'm drunk, but I promise you I am not. But yeah, we're still pushing here. Still pushing. Keep it moving, moving. We like to move it. Hopefully we can move it this way. That'd be nice. But in reality, I do want to see some consolidation. Because consolidation has been our friends, folks. Consolidation has been our friend. I have a support level at about here, so I'll keep that in mind. About 4130, 4137. So let's see what happens here. We broke out of that trend line. I'm just gonna get rid of this one for now. It's not really worth anything. Let's check out the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna go check out coin market cap real quick. See what the market cap of Doge is looking like. It's at 54 billion. 2 billion above Tether. We're about 12 billion under XRP. Yeah, let me know how y'all are doing. Let me know how the night's going. You're excited about Doge, bullish, bearish, let me know. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna begin consolidating if we don't head back in this direction. Put another very less bearish trend line up, less bullish. See how this goes. Because if this is the case for an upward trend, I like that trend line. Yep, I like that. Let's see how it goes. Just sit back and watch for a little bit, people. Where'd the music go? There we go. Yeah, nothing too exciting going on right now, but we're just hanging out, watching the charts. Let me know how we doing today, people. Still just consolidating. Not doing much. Hopefully we can follow this trend line up. And then show some consolidation. Be perfect. We have a very short-term support line here at where's that? 41.39. Just me hanging out, I think. How we doing, people? Let me know you're here if you're here, watching this historic move of Doge. Boom, boom, boom. Vibing right now. We doing, people? Let me know what's good. Let me know your opinions on Doge. What you think it's gonna do in the near future? What you think its top is? What do you think its low is? What do you got going on with Doge? Holding, selling, day trading? What's up?